In this lesson, we're going to interpret a double line graph. Okay, so if we have a problem like this that says the graph shows the number of roses sold, how many pink roses and how many red roses were sold in 2019? Calculate the total for 2019. So here we just need to look at a graph that we have and try to answer a question. Okay, so step 1, find 2019 on the x-axis. Okay, so this is the x-axis. So we're going to find 2019 here. And here it is. Here's 2019. And then find the line for the pink roses. Here's the line for all the pink roses, right? But we're looking at the point for 2019. So next thing you do is read the value on this line for 2019 from the y-axis. Here's the y-axis, okay? So we want to read this point from the y-axis, and it's 10, okay? So let's see that. Here's this point, here's the number 10. So there's 10 pink roses were sold in 2019. Now find the line for red roses for 2019 and read the value from the y-axis. Okay, so we go to the x-axis. We know this is 2019. We're still working with 2019. And then we have to read the value from the y-axis for this point. Okay, so let's show that there. So we're looking for what the y-axis says for this point, and it says 14. So that means 14 red roses were sold in 2019. So that's what we have found, that in 2019 there were 10 pink roses sold and then also 14 red roses sold in that year. So now all we have to do is to calculate the total for 2019. And to do that, add the two amounts to find the total. Okay, so here we go. 10 plus 14 equals 24. A total of 24 roses were sold in 2019. And that's it. That's the end of this problem. If you didn't quite understand that, you could just rewatch the video. And then if you need extra help, take a look at the description. I have videos in there that are similar to this, so you could check those out. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson in it, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's a link in the ebook, and it'll take you right to this video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.